rent scooters for the day. Actually not for the day, we got like a little deal, so we got to pay 17 euros for 15 euros for a couple hours. I think
3.5 hours.
3.5 hours
Till they close.
So fingers crossed that I don't crash or fall down, but I would recommend this.
There's probably a video about the hospitals in Valencia.
It's a really good way to get around the city and like really not have to walk, which is always a plus for me.
Because she's lazy. Right, 50-50 odds on whether she falls over before the end of the video.
And we are now here at the something of arts and sciences.
City of Arts and Sciences.
City. Yes, there we go. Arts and sciences. And like the scale of the video doesn't even justify how beautiful the movie is.
Now, Debbie, how are you feeling about doing 200 steps to the top of this tower?
207 actually.
207, yeah.
I will probably collapse
We'll see.
on top of the stairs.
I'm going to try and not just film your bum the whole way up.
And when you get up the 207 stairs, eventually you get quite a beautiful view. So we are at Rusafa Market now. It's our second to the last day, and we're taking a paella class actually. And apparently, traditional paella actually doesn't contain seafood. It traditionally contains chicken and rabbit and other types of meat depending on the area. Walking to the kitchen where we're gonna cook the paella.
The name of paella for us is really important. And today we're going to learn how to make the two different paellas. That doesn't matter if you agree, doesn't matter which paella you're going to eat. I would like to learn how to make the two different paellas. We can work together with the two paellas. Okay? Here we don't have so much time. If all the vegetables are shining, we can continue with the rest.
And we are out in the square. We're out pretty early this morning because we've got a tuk-tuk tour. So it's pretty much a tour in a tuk-tuk, which is also a keke napep. That's what we call it in Nigeria. We are gonna go around the city and kind of see different things. The inside of the market seems to have a lot of different things. There's like meat, there's cheeses, nuts, and yeah, we're gonna go meet the tuk-tuk tour guys because we're lagging.
I mean, you say we're
way
going to meet
behind.
him, but can we see him?
We can't see him.
Where are we, Dabby?
A market?
Mercado de Colón. So this is one of the 3 big markets. This one's more of a done-up restaurant-y kind of market. The other 2 are more of an actual market. So if you don't do anything else in Valencia, this is something you need to do. You need to rent a scooter. They are so much fun. John and I have gone right down to the end of the river/park. And it's about 9 kilometers long, I believe. And the zoo is at the end of this, which we've just found out. So you can see quite a number of different animals as you sit down. So that is, I believe, an antelope. You can see the giraffes over there. I think you might be able to see the lion as well. And then some birds and an ostrich.
I was like, wait, what? Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Enjoyed traveling to Valencia with us, kind of. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below telling me your favorite part of the trip. And yeah, guess
Shout out Endor Music, top 10 hit.
No, okay. See you in the next one.